What's up to all the agents out there watching on Trusses TV today? I am about to do a dial session. Last month I actually had a breakout month, did 14,000 AP. This month I'm already at about 12,000 AP with some stuff in the pipeline. So really trying to push for 20K AP this month. I think this is my sixth or seventh month in the industry, and we're about to roll through some somewhat aged leads. Some of the leads are going to be from 30 to 60 days old, and then some of them are going to be from 90 to maybe a year old, and then maybe 1 to 2 years old. Looking at some mortgage protection and IUL leads. Here's going to be my phone script. You'll see me handle some objections, which I'm not perfect. I'm still trying to learn. Still trying to help you guys and grow from there. So hopefully we set some appointments and help some families out. Here we go.
Hello?
Hey, Miss Foster?
Yes,
Hey, can you hear me? This was Trey Brooks here.
speaking.
Yes, ma'am. Reaching back out to you about the social media post that you did for the mortgage protection. I think it was a couple weeks now. Do you remember doing that? Or did anybody reach out to you?
Yes, probably got a call or two, but I did remember getting an email back, but I've already gotten some coverage now, though. So
Okay,
I'm in
great,
good
great.
standing.
Yeah, that's good that you got that taken care of. Sorry for getting to you so late there. I can go ahead and update your file here and get you off the call list. Do you know if it was the old kind or the new kind? The old kind of works like life insurance, where it just kicks in if you passed away. The new kind has benefits like if you survive a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, you can actually use the death benefit to pay for those medical bills or to pay for your mortgage.
No, I got the old kind. No, that's
Oh,
probably why
wow.
it's so reasonable. Yeah, I got the old kind. I
Wow.
didn't get the, no. Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how much you're paying for it?
Yeah, I do. I'm the one that paid for it. I do. Yeah, but I have some, though.
Okay. The reason why I ask is I work with 25 companies here in Georgia, and I'm pretty confident I could save you money and then add those benefits too. They're pretty common. They don't come at any extra cost. They just work with some of the top carriers that I work with here in Georgia.
Yeah, but I'm okay for right now. You probably can check back maybe 6 months or so, but I just got started, so I'm okay for now.
Yeah, no problem. But if I could save you money, why would you want to spend 6 months paying too much?
Well, I
There's no
want to
obligations
add,
to
or
you.
I'm pretty good where I am. I've kind of built it in my budget, so I'm okay right now.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm okay.
I understand. There's no obligations that on my end. I just do shopping for you and then let you know if I could save you money. No obligations. Doesn't take
No,
much of your time.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Wow.
I'm okay. But thank you, though.
Okay. Okay, no
Okay.
worries. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll note your file here for maybe a long-term follow-up.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, Miss
Bye-bye.
Foster. Those people frustrate me because I could clearly help you out, and you don't want any help. So I'll follow up with her, but those people are frustrating.
Hello.
Hey, Noah, this was Trey Brooks. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Just see if you want me to close out this IUL account or kind of what was going on there.
I had a question. Did it go through already? Because I think I was charged for something, but I don't know if it was the IUL or not.
So I know we were talking about you had to get that medical exam stuff done, and the type of policies I do don't involve the medical exam. So that must have been with the other agent. What was the charge for? I can kind of tell you if it just nailing off the carrier there.
Let me see. It says. I just saw it the other day. Hold on. I think it was like for $28, but I need to find which account it was on. I have like 5 credit cards. I'm not irresponsible though.
No, you're good. Having a lot of credit cards is smart. I have like 5 or 6 myself. It's a good way to leverage, especially if you can develop your business credit side.
Yeah, well, one of them is a business credit card though, so but it wasn't on the business credit card. I know that. Let me find it. I think it was for $28, but I think it said life insurance on it. And I asked the other 2 agents, and they said they didn't charge. They couldn't have charged me for anything.
Yeah.
And so I'm wondering if it was like, I don't know. Because I did sign up for a bunch of IUL things. I know that.
Yeah, nothing should have charged you though without going through like an application process and everything, which I'm sure you would you would remember that. At least I hope so.
application processes, and they said they're gonna try to get me other ones, but then they never. I don't know if they got back to me or not. Let me find it. Yeah, I don't see it, to be honest. I know it's somewhere in here. But yeah, if it's not you, then I trust you. I think I'm wondering if it was like some sort of scam because I went through them first. I was like, I asked the 3 people I went through, the other 3, and then you, and you all said that it wouldn't be me. You know what I mean? So I'm wondering if it was like, I wonder if like somewhere along the line I got scammed talking to someone. I don't know.
Maybe, but you shouldn't give like when we do the application stuff. It goes off a bank account, so it doesn't really go off the credit card. Maybe for the first payment, but if you do that, then you fill out the credit card information online. They don't give me access to it just to prevent fraud and stuff, you know.
Oh yeah, I remember I put my credit card on a couple of them, but they were all like, "Well, you got denied anyway," so I wouldn't. They said not to really worry about it.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense because you'd only get approved, or you'd only get charged if you got approved. And I still feel confident in what company we could go with, which was Foresters.
Yeah, let me try to figure this out first because I don't want to dispute the charge if I already have one.
Right.
I need to figure out who it was because there was like 4 of them. I know there was you, and there was like I have them saved in my phone, but I don't remember which ones I've asked before because they call me at least every other day. So I'm trying to figure out which one it was. I'm gonna get a call from them eventually. I know that.
Right. Yeah, I just try to text you because I know you're pretty busy with school and everything. So.
Oh yeah, thank you. I understand that. Thank you for that. But let me figure out who it was though. Okay.
Okay. Oh, so you didn't find it in your bank account?
Yeah, it's in my bank account somewhere. I have 5 accounts, and I'm really trying to go to figure out which one it is. But I don't know my password to Chase.
Oh.
I know I make my payments though every month. But I have the password on my computer. That's the thing.
What? So if you find out that it's not, what is your next step? What would you like to do?
I guess dispute the charge because if it's not you, I wouldn't dispute it if I actually did go through it with an agent. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't think I actually did because most of them were asking me for medical something, and I explained to them like I don't think that it's. I don't really know the process or anything like. Sorry, I just woke up.
Dang, I missed that life.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna miss it soon when I start my next program or whatever it is. My next semester, I mean. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna figure it out. I'll figure out to see who it was, I guess. If it wasn't any of them, if they're all like, no, you didn't get a policy, I guess I'll dispute it. I think it was on American Express, actually. Let me figure it out. But anyways, yeah, if it wasn't you, then it's okay.
Okay, so if we do end up disputing it, would you still want to try to get qualified with Foresters, or what was your idea there?
I was speaking to my finance teacher, and I told her that I don't have a Roth 401k yet. She said to get that first, actually.
Man.
But if I have an IUL already, then I'm gonna keep it.
Man, I made this TikTok yesterday. I gotta send it to you.
Yeah, you can send it.
It's about 401ks, Roth IRAs, and then IULs. The difference between them all, and which one I like, obviously.
I saved your contact. I don't know if you called me from a different number or not.
Nope. That's my only phone here.
Oh, I see now, Trey Brooks, and then it's maybe Trey Brooks. Okay, I thought I saved you. You popped up on my Facebook. I saw that. I was like, oh, that's cool. You're on Facebook.
Yeah. I'm a normal person. I told you I live here not too far away from you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely. I want to get in Roth IRA first, but I know that you need to have at least like a minimum amount of money you put in it or something like that.
Yeah. So
like, I mean, I don't got money. Like I got some money, but it's like I know that she said some of them a minimum of like $1,000 a month. I was like, 1,000 is kind of steep. Like I'm kind of focused on like I don't know. Like I mean, I could probably do that, but at the same time, it's like. I kind of want to get a new MacBook too, so.
Right. Sounds like you got decisions to make.
They're about to release the M4 supposedly. I don't know if you keep up with that, but basically my laptop is like 4 years old, or 3 years old, and I'm ready for a new one. I can't deal with this old MacBook anymore. But I need to figure out where it went because I know I saw it, but now I'm not seeing it. And it's like I know I'm not crazy. And I screenshot everything, so it's like. I might just be crazy though. I don't know. Maybe on my Apple Card.
Okay, so I'll just circle back with you here and we'll figure it out from there. But yeah, definitely try to figure out what you got charged because if you got approved, then we can just look to make sure your cash is growing accordingly. If it's not growing, then I'll just basically I'll just show you, let you know if it's growing good or if it's not growing too good, and how we can make it grow faster. But if it's growing good, then that's great, and yeah, we'll just go from there. Is that fair?
Okay, yeah, that works. And so, you don't do Roth IRAs. That's only through like what bank accounts, right?
I think you'll have to go through like maybe Fidelity or something. I'm not too sure. I'm not a big
Oh
fan
yeah.
of the Roth IRAs. Um, Plus, you have to qualify for those depending on your income. And then yeah, so
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I remember something. Oh yeah, here we go. True Stage Life Insurance (PPD), and I have the ID number.
True Stage. Hang on, let me jump on Google and see what that is because I have actually never heard of them. Who worked with True Stage, or if you even have an agent there, and if you got the whole life insurance, because I don't think they have the IUL. Which, if you have the whole life insurance, that account only grows between like 4 and 6% a year, and then with an IUL, you're looking at like 7 to 8, 9, 10% a year. Yeah,
Oh,
True.
okay, that's what I was thinking. Because my finance teacher told me that if I were to get anything, it would be a 401k first, and then best would be Roth IRA. But I know you're right. There's certain things you have to meet criteria. Like if there's a minimum, you have to put a month, and then if not that, then a 401k. And then she said IUL. But I think the IUL is really what I'm kind of qualified for. I mean, on paper I make money, but like I don't think I can really back that up.
No, for the IUL, you just have to make your monthly payment. You have to qualify like health wise. That's why I said we have to go through Foresters because of the diabetes when you were a juvenile.
Yeah, well, it was pre-diabetes, but I know they probably see the metformin on there.
Yeah.
Because I know I was prescribed like a 90-day dose or something when I was like 14 or 15.
Yeah.
And it was definitely when I was 14 actually, because that was in middle school. That's embarrassing. Pre-diabetes in middle school. But and I asked my doctor. I just went to the doctor the other day to get my blood work done and stuff like that. I asked about the alcoholism. And did I tell you about that? I asked when I was going through my medical records with one of my doctors. It popped up that I was admitted to alcoholism or something, and I was like, I never admitted to being an alcoholic. Like this was like maybe 2 or 3 months ago. I don't know if I mentioned it to you. Like I know I mentioned it to my other ones. I don't know. Maybe that's a reason.
Yeah.
I asked her about that, and she said it was whoever it was put down that you admitted to it. I was like, I've never admitted to being an alcoholic. Who admits to being an alcoholic? Even like meth addicts don't admit to being addicted to meth. Why? And I'm not an alcoholic though, but it's like if I were, why would I admit to it too? You know?
Right, especially to the doctor. Like that's like the last
person.
person.
The reason they put that down is because I guess when I first went to the doctor when I was younger, they put down that they asked if I was drinking.
Mm-hmm.
And then I said, yeah, I drink, but I don't like to drink. And then they were like, well, you're an alcoholic, I guess, on paper. But they didn't tell that's my face. They would put that on a little piece of paper that I'm an alcoholic, which is insane.
Yeah, that's interesting there.
Yeah. I'm going to get that fixed, though. She said there's like a thing to do to get that fixed off my medical record.
Yeah, I would definitely do that because that might throw us a curveball.
I'm thinking that's why. Because if they see that I admit to being an alcoholic, which I'm not, that would definitely, like, I would assume that would be the reason, if not the juvenile thing.
Yeah, I think that would be the main reason because they'll check that background. But yeah, definitely call True Stage, figure out who your agent is and what you actually have. And once you figure out what you have, then I might be able to help you out. From there, we're kind of just spinning wheels and going there. So yeah, just give them a call and kind of figure out what you have, take good notes, and then go from there. You probably have a whole life with them, which, like I said, it only grows between 4 and 6%, and we can blow that out of the water.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks, Noah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Kids all over the place. But yeah, throwing the alcohol, whatever shows up in his medical background, the alcohol would definitely be a problem, whatever it might be, which he's in college, so. Hey, Mr. Anthony, this is Trey. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Anthony, this was Trey Brooks. How are you doing today?
Doing all right. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good. We got good weather out here in Atlanta, so can't complain too much there.
So you in Atlanta?
Yes, sir. I'm over here in Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, okay. I'm only about 50, maybe 60 miles down below.
Yeah, down south. Yeah, I got you in Lagrange, right?
Right.
Yeah. So, given a call, see if anybody reached back out to you. It looked like nobody had. It was about the life insurance coverage, looking for about 25,000. Did anybody reach out to you?
No, yeah. I hadn't talked to anybody today.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if it would have been today. Let me see. It looks like it was earlier in February the coverage was requested, and then let me make sure I got everything right. It's March 7th, 1963 for the birthday.
Right.
About 5'7", 130 pounds.
Right.
Okay, cool. What who would that beneficiary be, or who are you trying to protect there?
Uh, I hadn't really thought about a beneficiary yet.
Yeah, I know. My sister's my beneficiary. I haven't told her yet because she might try to get me at Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So, you live with a wife or you got any kids? That's normally who most people will select.
Yeah. I live with my brother.
Your brother. So, would he be responsible for like final expenses and like making sure you got taken care of, buried or cremated?
Oh, yeah. I'm sure he would.
Okay. So yeah, I guess we could go with him as the beneficiary, so he'd get the money. I'm sure he'd love you more for that, right?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, he probably would.
Okay, Mr. Anthony. But so my job is pretty simple, just to see if we can help you, how we can help you, and get you qualified there. What was your schedule later on tonight? You're gonna be home from work?
Uh, yeah, around about 6:30.
Okay. Do you have time about 7 o'clock?
That'd be fine.
Okay, let's do 7 p.m. And then I already got the birthday. The birthday was right.
Right.
March 7th. Happy early birthday, by the way. You're gonna be
Uh-huh.
61.
Yeah.
Okay, cool deal. And then we got 5'7", about 130 pounds.
Yeah.
Do you smoke cigarettes?
Occasionally.
Okay, no, not a problem. I got a company. If it works good with them, if they're in the good pricing, they'll actually give you non-smoker rates for like 4 years, 4 or 5 years,
Okay.
which is pretty fair. And then we're looking at about $25,000. And then have you ever had a heart attack, stroke, or any cancer?
Yes, I've had a heart attack.
How long ago was that?
Back in '07.
Oh wow, so a long time ago. Must have been stressed out from work, or what was it?
Uh, Clogged up arteries.
Oh wow. Okay. Are you on any medications for it or anything?
Not now, I'm not.
Okay. And then no strokes or cancer?
No,
What about diabetes, COPD, or high blood pressure?
no, not that I know of.
Okay, hey, that's good. Any medications?
No.
Oh shoot, you're pretty healthy. All right, so we're going to be able to find something pretty affordable then. I mean, that's going to be my hardest part, just getting you qualified. It sounds like we should be able to find something at the best rate. So it'll just come down to kind of figuring out what fits into your budget and going from there. Is that fair?
Yeah, I think that's fair with me.
Okay, and will your brother be home with you tonight? Does he help you make decisions like this?
No. I make all them by myself. If I can't do it, I call my sister.
Right. How old is who's the oldest?
She is my sister.
And then your brother. Where's your brother? Are you the youngest?
Yeah, I'm the youngest of the family.
Ooh, you must have been spoiled.
No, not really.
No, my little brother, he's spoiled. He's super spoiled. He's like 6 years younger than me. He's the youngest one in our family, and he gets it all.
He gets his way.
Yeah,
I
whatever.
don't.
Yeah, but okay. So what time again? I forgot to write it down.
Oh, about 7,
Okay.
6:37.
Okay, let's do. I put 7 o'clock down, and we can do a phone call like this, or would you prefer to meet on video, like on Zoom call?
Like we are now.
Yeah, we can do it like now, or we can do it like where you can see my face and stuff. I'll send you a link to log on.
All right, but that's all right though. But you can if you want to.
Okay, and then the email I have is anthonychapman77@gmail.
No, that's the wrong email address.
Okay, what's a good one?
It'll be 494
Okay,
@gmail.com.
so Anthony Chapman 494.
Yeah.
@gmail. I'm just writing that down so I don't forget. Okay, in the next like 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna send an email to just click yes on the invite, and it'll just lock out the time slot so my assistant doesn't book me at that same time, so we don't get double booked. Is that fair?
Okay, yeah. When you gonna do that?
I'm gonna do it in the next 10 minutes or so. You should see it in your inbox. If you don't, can you send text messages from your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't see it, just shoot me a text message, and I'm gonna text you when I send it, so you know when to look.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Anthony, I'll get that sent over to you in the next 10 minutes or so, and then I'll talk to you tonight at 7 o'clock, okay?
All right, that works.
Okay, yes, sir. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Bye-bye. That was pretty good. So, I mean, pricing is going to be the only possible objection later on tonight, so just got to put value in front of them.
Hello?
Hey, Mr. Harris, this is Trey. Can you hear me okay?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. Hey, yeah, so just getting back with you, it looked like nobody reached out. It was about the IUL information you were looking for. Did anybody call you about that?
They did, but I missed their call.
Yes, sir. What kind of piqued your interest with the IUL? What kind of had you interested in it?
Well, just the whole living,
The living benefits, or like the cash that you accumulate?
Yeah, the living benefits and the cash.
Okay. Cool. You're where are you at? Here in Georgia? Okay, cool. I'm over in Atlanta as well. All right. What time? So my job's pretty much just to get you some of that information. What time are you off work usually on the weekdays?
About 5 or 6 o'clock.
Okay, let me pull up my schedule real quick. I'm pretty booked up today, but would you have tomorrow available? Let's say 6:30.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
Okay, cool. 6:30. And then email I have is jamelprince@gmail.
Yes, that's me.
Okay, JAHNEL Prince@gmail.
Yep.
Okay, and then wanted to confirm that birthday was about June 16th, 1975.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, 75. And just so I can do some homework for you tonight, see what we can get qualified with. That's going to be my hardest part. What was your height and weight?
My height and weight. My weight is about, let's say, 155.
Yep.
And my height is like 5'11", 6 feet.
Okay, 5. Shoot, I'm gonna give you that 6 foot. I know how it is. And then, are you a smoker? Cigarettes?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no worries. And then, do you know roughly like how much you were trying to invest into this account? Some of my clients are doing like $100 to $250 a month, and then some of them are up there like $500,000, $600,000 a month. Just so I can kind of put like an illustration together for you to see how much it will grow. Obviously, the more money you put into the account, the faster it will grow for you.
Okay. Well, as of right now, it'd probably be like 100, maybe 100, 150, maybe.
Okay, so I'll look at see what it shows. Well, tomorrow I'll just show you what it looks like at $150 a month, and then we can kind of adjust from there. It's all up to you on how you want to design it. I'm just there to guide you through it, answer any questions. Okay. And then last part here, have you ever had a heart attack, stroke, or any cancer?
Okay.
No, you're good. You're good. Any heart attack, stroke, or cancer?
No.
Okay, cool. What about diabetes, COPD, or high blood pressure?
No.
Okay, cool. That's good. Any medications at all?
No.
Okay, no meds. And then I'm gonna send you over a Zoom invite link so you can see my face, see my screen for tomorrow night. Just click yes on it so my assistant doesn't double book us, because she booked some appointments for me too. And if you click yes, it'll just block out that time slot tomorrow night for me. Is that fair?
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay, you should see it in the next 10 minutes. So what do you do for work, if you don't mind me asking?
I work in the auto. I'm an auto technician at Walmart.
Oh, very nice. Auto tech. Shoot, I'm about to buy me a new car here soon, hopefully. I was talking about it with my girlfriend today. I'll be going to Walmart to get them tires. Y'all always have the best price. for labor
Oh, yeah.
getting them on there.
Yep.
But
Sure
okay,
do.
okay, Mr. Harris, I'm gonna send that email over in the next 10 minutes or so. Just click yes on it for me so it locks out that time slot.
All right.
Okay, thanks. Talk to you soon.
All right, guys.
Bye bye. Damn, another one. Hey, Mr. John, what's going on today?
I'm currently at Nissan on Peachtree Industrial right now.
Oh shoot, is everything okay with your car?
Yeah. But trying to take care of something right quick.
Yes, sir. So just trying to check with you to see what I should do here. Should I just close this file, or is this something you still want to set up?
Yeah, I want to set it up.
Okay. What are you off work tomorrow or later today?
Yeah, I'll be off. I'm not at work right now, so just give me a couple of hours and I'll call you back.
Okay, so I'm gonna be working till about 4. I gotta take a break at 5 o'clock. I gotta work out, and then after that, let me pull up my schedule real quick because I know today's a pretty busy day. Okay, I have a tight window from 6 to 7 p.m. So that would be good then. Do you think you'll be done with Nissan from then?
Yeah. So what kind of money are we talking about?
So that's all up to you, man. My job is just to explain to you how to reach your goals, and you put 20K down, which is very achievable. If 20K is all you're after, I mean, we can do that pretty quick. Now, it all depends on what you want to set up and how much you want to do. Obviously, the more money you put into the savings account, into the IUL, the faster it's going to grow and the more money you're going to have tomorrow. Does that kind of make sense?
Yeah.
So that's all customized to you, and then just going from there, see if we can get the approval if it makes sense.
Okay.
So my job is just to explain some of the. It's like, have you ever read like a doctor's notes? It's all scribble scrabble and confusing.
Right.
My job is just to explain the licensing or like the technical terms and stuff to you, and then just show you how the money grows, and then everything else is your decision.
Okay.
But okay, so let's shoot for about 6 o'clock. Is that all right?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. All right. Hope your car works out good there, and then talk to you later today.
All right.
All right. Thanks, John.
All right. Thank you.
Another one. I took it away from him, and he wanted it back. I slowly gave it to him like a dog treat, and he took it. So hopefully we meet at 6 o'clock today. I think he was talking about like $100 a month, which cool, no big deal. It's going to take a while to grow, but you're going to have a death benefit in place, money for always tomorrow, and you're going to start a huge savings account. So, I mean, it makes sense. Just we'll see what his goals are, what his pain points are. So we'll go from there. Let's get after it. I got, I'm going to jump off now. Peace. That's 4 appointments. Let's go. Took me 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 78 phone calls, 78, 5 people I talked to. Oh, 6 people I talked to, sorry. No, actually, 5, 6, 7 people I talked to. Can't do math. 4 appointments, so pretty good. See you next time, Trusses TV. If you guys are struggling out there, I would pay into your upline. If your upline isn't there for you, then I would consider looking elsewhere for some help, because there's a lot of help available in this industry. So if you're not getting the help you need, it's definitely there. So see you guys next time. Hopefully this helped you out, and subscribe, like, let me know what you guys think. Peace.